Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my different unboxing video. So, if you guys want to see what is in this little box, stay tuned. Okay, well, if you guys remember at the end of last week's video, which I'm going to link above, I said I ordered something right before I left Denver and I knew it wasn't going to come in time for that video. So I got something in the mail today at the office and it's the mystery piece that I ordered. Well, it's a mystery to you, not to me, because I know what I ordered. But anyway, let's open the box. This is my first time ever ordering anything from this site, and I've seen other people order from this site before, and I never see them have a problem. So I just pray, because I haven't opened this, as you can tell. This is my first time opening this. So I am opening this for the very first time on camera, and we're going to see what is in the box. Well, you guys are going to see what's in the box. I already know what's in the box. So, when you open the box, you see this on both sides. So, you can kind of figure out. I ordered something from Fashion File. But first, wait a minute. But first, someone wants to say hello. You want to unbox? You want to unbox? You want to unbox this with me? No? Okay. She doesn't want to unbox. But anyway, so I picked up something from Fashion File. Let's see. In the box, you see, this is what comes in the box right here. This is like I said, this is my first time ordering with Fashion File. So they send you a nail file, which is really cool. I like to have these, so I'm kind of glad I have that. They send you a thank you card. And I believe this is my receipt in here. And I have some tissue paper, really cute tissue paper. And I'm going to take out, and now there's another box in the box. Used is the new you. That's what it says on the sticker, fashionfile.com. All right. So let's open the box. The box that was in the box is from Louis Vuitton, or Louis Vuitton, whatever how you say it, Louis Vuitton. So you slide it out, and it has a nice little dust bag. You guys can probably tell what it is right now. So we'll move this box on the floor real quick. You guys can probably tell what it is. It also has its dust bag. I am so happy. I think that was one of the things I saw when I found this, and I was like, oh, it has the box and the dust bag. Hey, hell yeah. What I ordered was, let me pull up my phone because I want to make sure I say this correctly. This is the Louis Vuitton Vernay LV Fascious Belt 80 32 Rouge. It's a lot of French words here, okay? It's a belt that I ordered and a burgundy patent leather. And this, I didn't think it was going to be this thick. So actually I can wear this I think I can wear this around my waist and also on my hip too. When I found this belt, I was like, oh my God. And I wasn't really looking for a Louis Vuitton belt. I was really looking at the purses, but then I kind of came across the belt. And I love the color. I do not have a red belt. It's funny, I'm looking at my television over here, and it's kind of coming off pink, but it is a kind of a mauve-y, dark mauve burgundy color. I'll take some pictures now and insert them over here of the belt so you guys can see it. Probably see it on. I'm just going to put it on and you all can see it. I think it's actually better than I expected. There's like some really small scratches. I'm going to see if I can get in so you guys can see. There's like some really small scratches on the front of the LV, but it's not bad. I mean, it's like surface scratches. I don't have a problem with it. If I wanted to probably go and maybe get it buffed out, I would, but I'm probably not because you have to really walk up on it to see it. And if you're getting that close to me looking at my belt, I think we have a problem. You know what I'm saying? So, this is actually I think I told you guys last week the wallet was my first Louis Vuitton purchase. This is my second. And I really like this belt. This is so cute. Like I said, I can't wait to wear it. I got a new pair of jeans in Denver, as you all know. So I'm probably going to wear this with the jeans. I just have to figure out what shirt and shoes. And you all know I wear fun shoes. So I'm probably going to have some crazy looking shoes on with it. And I cannot wait. So that is it. That is all that I picked up at Fashion File. This is my first experience and I actually like it. I have something else already in my cart at Fashion File, but I wanted to see how this looked before I made that purchase. So there'll be another unboxing coming soon from something else from Fashion File. So, and that is it. I'm going to get out of here. I have homework that's due tomorrow and I have to do. And I'm waiting on somebody to come home so we can go pick up some food because I am hungry and stuff. So, if you guys have any questions about this belt or any of my purchases from last week, talk to me below, or you can talk to me below in that video too. All my social medias were at the beginning of the video. And like I said, that's it. We got videos from last week, the shopping haul, and the week before, which I think it was my hair cutting video, I believe. I can't remember. And that's it. I have the link to this belt below also. So I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.